Hello and welcome to our curriculum night recording and also curriculum day. So this meeting was set for 9 a.m. and this recording is going to be provided for anyone who cannot attend the night session and corresponds with our morning time. So one of the things that's part of our Title I plan is to have monthly parent meetings to go through things that you need to know as a parent or things that we can help you with. And curriculum night is a very important component of these meetings. So without further ado, I will begin. Our subjects that we teach on a daily basis are focused on reading, writing, math, science, and social studies. And that is our basic curriculum. And as we think about the foundation of education, reading and writing are critically important. We ask that every day our students read at least 20 minutes and talk about the book. And it's critically important. It could be in English or Spanish, and it's most important that they're reading and talking about the book. We'd like for you to talk with your child about their day and have many conversations. And again, English and Spanish are critically important whether your child is a native Spanish speaker or English speaker. Speak to them in the language that is most comfortable and that they can express how they understand what they're reading. And if our students can write about what they read or draw a picture to describe the book, that is even better because our students are gaining the ability to turn what is in their thought and in their minds to paper and pencil expression of what they understand. And as our school is a school of oracy, which is we desire for our students to be able to speak and express what they learn, we have these conversation starters that we often use, and communication is key. And in the morning, we use encouraging words like good morning, or buenos dias, or have a great day, que tengas un buen día, or I love you, te amo. After school, we love for discussion. Like, tell me one thing you learned today. Tell me something good or bad that happened today. Dime un ejemplo de lo que aprendiste hoy. Dime algo bueno o malo que sucedió hoy. And in the evening time, dialogue. Talk about anything they want. Dialogar sobre el tema que quiera. And at bedtimes, we love to get our feelings out. I love you. Have a good night's sleep. You matter. ¿Cómo se siente? Te amo. Que tengas una buena noche. Tú eres muy importante. And as we do in our classrooms, we have conversation starters like, I agree, disagree with you because I noticed that. I can connect or relate to that because I'm curious to know more about. I'm intrigued by, I'm interested in, I'm wondering. In other words, one thing I've noticed. What I know about blank is blank. And you can see that we have those conversation starters, inicios de conversación, over here on the right, just the same. Math. We love for our students to practice math facts at home. Ask students to explain their thinking when solving math problems. Have your child practice making change when paying with cash at a store. Math facts at home. 2 plus 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 4. 5 times 5. Just getting our students thinking all the time about math is a great way to help them in the home. And here are some conversation starters once again. In math, we like to be able to have our students explain their thinking and their strategies and how do they know what they know. And what did you start with? Or I agree or disagree with you because. And as we are facing COVID and all the restrictions that go along with that, we know that the air outside is better than the air inside. So this year, we are striving to get our students outdoors and learning outside as much as possible. We know that the risk of spreading germs outside is less than inside. And while at home, we also encourage our students to get outside as much as possible. And it's not just getting outside just to get outside. While that is a wonderful way to get exercise and have the fresh air, we're also talking about things that we're learning in reading, writing, and math, and science, and social studies as they get outside. And that's critical for us to understand that we can connect what's outside to the inside of our school and also what's inside to the outside. And our students can talk about things like comparing this tree is like this tree because, or this tree is not like that tree because, and we do that on a daily basis, and we're encouraging our students to get outside. So this is our curriculum meeting, and I hope you enjoyed this brief recording. And if you have any questions about what we're doing in our school for curriculum, please give us a call. And if you need any help at home, let us know. Thank you.